Keep believing your efforts and sacrifices. You'll find success then. Every person's dream is to have a successful and rich life. People do much stuff to become financially stable, and in today's world, there are many ways to make money. Among them, making money online has caught the attention of many people as it is easy and effective and can provide you with quick results. Have you ever known the existence of StarClicks, which is one of the best and most trusted money-making ways online? Here is a full description of the StarClicks with the way of doing it. So let's see how to make money online with StarClicks. Welcome to Clever Money Girl, a place where you can find many tips to become financially stable. Before diving in, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Before moving on to the topic, let's first see what this StarClicks really is. StarClicks can be described as an online advertising network that allows the advertisers to publish their advertisements related to their websites to promote them, and then the publishers can make money by visiting those advertisers' websites by clicking them. If we dive into the deep, this platform can be used by advertisers and publishers. This is referred to as a platform that connects advertisers and publishers with each other to provide the facility to advertise for advertisers and publishers to publish ads and make money online. You can get paid if you publish things. Additionally, you can advertise on the StarClicks platform to promote your websites, increase traffic to them, and improve their SEO performance. This is a very popular method these days to earn money online. There's some process behind this, and it is not something hard. First, you must register for a publisher account on StarClicks in order to begin earning money there. Publishers will be able to receive $0.01 for each click made to visit an advertiser's website, and as long as you completed the task, the money appears instantly on your dashboard. On StarClicks, publishers' accounts are available in 3 types like Silver, Gold, and Platinum membership plans. The Silver plan is considered as a total fee plan, and members of the Silver plan receive 3 to 10 paid jobs per day or between $0.03 and $0.1 per work. Members of the Platinum plan, which costs $69.99 a month, can expect to make an estimated $10 per day along with having access to HTML and APIs that will help publishers to make more money from the websites. So it is clear that you must first register as a publisher with StarClicks in order to begin earning money. These StarClicks will allow you to earn money by viewing and clicking on the advertisements as we mentioned before. Moreover, in addition, referring others to StarClicks will earn you referral commissions too. The earnings are $0.08 for each sign-up. Gold package upgrades price $5. Platinum package upgrades price $10. Additionally, HTML code advertising that you place on your website or blog is another way to make money. However, the only requirement to see HTML code advertisements is that you must upgrade your account. When you get registered as a publisher, you are automatically registered as a Silver member, and then you have the ability to upgrade your account to have more benefits and features. Anyway, this is how StarClicks works, and let's see how to create an account in StarClicks as a publisher to start money earning. Here are the steps that you should follow. Visit the website. First of all, you should visit the website of StarClicks to create an account. In there, you have to click the Sign Up button, and then you should sign up as a publisher. Fill up the relevant information. This step is a very important step. You have to fill this section carefully, providing your accurate details. You should not enter false details here, as you will not be able to rectify it again in the future. As well, you will have a permanent ban on your account if you get caught after providing false data. After filling in the details, you have to submit the form and wait. Activate the account. The next step is to activate your account via email. All you have to do is hit the Send Activation email button to make your account activated. Then you will receive an email with an activation link from StarClicks. Then you have to click it, and then you will be asked to log into your account. After entering your email and password, you will be directed to your dashboard. Verify the mobile number. As the final step, you have to add and verify a mobile number. You can click on the phone verification option on the left sidebar of your dashboard. Then you have to fill in the relevant details displayed in the window, and after sending the verification code and entering it back to confirm, your process is totally completed. So now it's your turn to make money through this. Depending on your membership level, StarClicks will provide you with a daily quota of advertisements to click on in order to earn money. Once you've logged into your account, you have to select the PPC Ads option from the drop-down menu under Pay Per Click Ads on the left sidebar. After that, you must click each one and wait for it to fully load. If you are a Silver or Gold and a Platinum member, you will be rewarded $0.01 and $0.02 respectively for each advertisement you click. This method is very popular among the ones who seek online methods to make money. This StarClicks process is simple, requires no special skills, and offers an additional opportunity to generate money online easily. Furthermore, StarClicks is a choice you might consider if you're a blogger seeking alternatives to Google AdSense to monetize your website. As we mentioned before, StarClicks offers 3 types of monthly memberships as Silver, Gold, and Platinum. So rather than the free packages, it is true that you must invest some money to upgrade your account if you want to boost your income. There are some reasons for that case too. Step 1. Even if the CPC or cost per click rate is much higher with the Silver membership, your earnings are quite limited. Therefore, upgrading will allow you to reach your maximum earning potential. Step 2. You have the access to HTML code ads that you can use to increase your earnings. Step 3. Additionally, the referral commission is 25% higher. Step 4. When you upgrade your membership, you are more likely to finish the daily quota of ads that have been allocated to you than that of a free package. Eventually, you can earn much more than you spend. In the long run, it will thus enable you to make even more money. The daily earnings are, however, subject to change based on the availability of advertisements on the website. When we talk about the referral program more, StarClicks provide the ability for its users to refer new users to the site and increase their earnings. There is a separate referral commission structure. When we describe them as points, $0.08 for registration of new members with the mandatory requirement of email and phone number verification, $5 for upgrade to Gold Plan member, $10 for upgrade to Platinum Plan member. So those are the ways and the procedure to launch to earn money online through StarClicks. When we come to earning online, it is necessary to have a method to withdraw the money that you have collected from the website. Anyway, StarClicks allows its members to receive their payments via PayPal, bank transfer, and Bitcoin. You can set up your payment methods and details from the Settings tab on your dashboard. After selecting the payment method that you prefer and verifying, you are all set to earn money online through StarClicks. Now that you know, if you've never thought about the possibility of being paid for visiting websites, StarClicks is one of the never-thought-of ways to make money online. StarClicks is a fantastic way to earn money, especially for new users. If you are a beginner, you can keep going on with the Silver one. If not, it is better to upgrade your membership to optimize your earnings. Once you have reached the required amount in your earnings, you can also buy a membership using the money you have earned. This is the best method to make easy money online if you are a beginner and do not have many other skills to use as a freelancer or any other online moneymaker. Try this StarClicks to earn more money online by doing some easy tasks whenever you have your free time. Hope you found some valuable information through our video. If you are someone who is willing to engage in more activities to earn money, StarClicks is one of the best ways to make money online. To become successful in your life and become financially stable, it is necessary to engage in many methods as possible. It is better to have more money-making ways with you to confirm your stability. Did you enjoy the video? If so, please share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.